Hello, Dr. Davis. So this is my submission for the annual program, part 4. So here I have my off-season macrocycle. The general goal of the macrocycle in the off-season is to establish a level of conditioning that will aid the athlete for higher intensities of training for the peak of competition. Basically getting their conditioning up so that they can start more sports-specific, heavily loaded exercise for that to kind of play into, say, like the real thick of like the competition season. Another goal of the macrocycle is to have unloading weeks. So these weeks will be placed in the proper time to give my athlete enough time to recover and prevent overtraining. This basically means that he won't necessarily not train, but the amount of sets and reps and intensity will decrease significantly for this unloading week to give them proper time to recover. Another goal of the macrocycle is to ensure variety will be implemented in the training. When it comes down to the micro and mesocycles, a goal of the macrocycle is to make sure that variety is being placed so that adequate stressors are also there for continuous increasing results. I don't know why it's not. Okay, well, this is my off-season mesocycle. So the goal of my off-season, the goal of the mesocycle in the off-season is to gradually increase resistance, progressively load more and more resistance in resistance exercising, so that they can reach peak performance for the start of competition season. What this means is moderate intensity with medium to high reps and sets, about 4 sets to 10 reps in each set, anywhere between 40 to up to 85%. Once you get closer to the competitive season, you want to increase the intensity, the percentage of the 1 rep max being used whenever they're doing resistance training. Also, the start of the off-season training will start with a high number of sets and reps with low to moderate intensity. And then, like I said earlier, as competition draws near, reps and sets start to decrease, but intensity reaches the 60 to 90% limit of their 1 rep max. This is also the same for say anaerobic work. Stuff like sprints and agility tests, that will also taper in the same way that this resistance training will do. So that is my presentation. Let me know if I should look something over or if I should modify. Thank you.